Okay, I wanted to show you this before I proceeded because this is very important. When you build your PC, you want to keep all your wires as flat as possible against the back of the PC case. And so I'm showing this to you because this is very important for you to have your wires, all your cables. This is, you know, what they call cable management, all very flat and very out of the way and parallel to the side of the case. So when you put on your side panel, it doesn't catch on any of the cables. It slides in nicely, and your cables don't interfere with each other, cross over too much. You know, you can have stuff like this as long as it's flat and well insulated, so that, you know, there's no metal touching metal occurring. That's very important when you build a PC. So I just thought I'd give you an example of, you know, some half decent cable management here. I see some of these wires have kind of popped out since I opened it up, but I have no problem putting the side panel on this case the way it is. It's very, you know, it's very well wired and very much serves the purpose. See, and look at that. I've got the ketchup and mustard wires hidden back here where they can't really be seen on the inside of the case. Some people don't like that. It really doesn't affect functionality whether the red and black and yellow wires show, but ketchup and mustard and licorice probably don't go together too well anyway. So yeah, I suppose it does look unappetizing in that regard, but I'm just pointing out that what you really do want to do is keep your cables nice and flat, horizontal to the side of the case, you know, or vertical, whatever, but flat. That will help you slide your side panel back on and will minimize any possibility of problems in the future. Thank you.